Are you gonna be a big boy? Yes. So if you go get your hair cut, then mommy's gonna buy you a toy, okay? Come on. We're gonna go get our hair cut. Come on, let's go outside. Gonna go get our hair cut?
Yeah.
Okay. So quick run, your girl's back in Walmart again for like the second day, but I realized that I'm running out of body wash and I was like, I need to re-up ASAP. So I'm over here looking to see what I want to try today. You guys already know how I feel about my hygiene stuff, and I'm actually peeping this right here. It's by Soft Soap. Can y'all see that? They have the Hawaiian Luau, they have a Plum Blossom, and they also have a Fiji Nights. Your girl is eyeing the Fiji Nights. I already know how I am on presentation. I'm so short I can't even reach it, but we gonna get it. Look how cute this bottle is, y'all. Fuji Nights, let me see if it focuses better. Red berries and hibiscus scent. I wanna see how it smells. Oh my God, yes, yes, yes. It's a yes for me. We gonna get this one. I'm gonna have to get another body wash. Look at this. Energizing, invigorating your senses. Fresh eucalyptus and mint. Let's not, it's giving Vicks. I mean, I did just buy a Tree Hut body scrub, but this is a new scent that I've never seen. This is the oatmeal and calendula oil. So we're gonna grab that. I definitely need another exfoliant brush. I never had this one. This is for softer, smoother skin. So when I do my wash day routines, we're gonna grab that. Ooh, I'm running out of shaving cream, but look at how cute this bottle is. This is the EOS or the EOS. I usually get the vanilla one, but this one is the pomegranate and raspberry, but look at how pretty. Definitely gonna grab one of these. And while I'm at it, why not grab some new razors? Because I don't know about y'all, but after a couple of uses, my razors gotta go. I usually use these, the Soleil, only because of the glide. It's so smooth and I don't get razor bumps. But this looks new. Soothing, less irritation. All right, we'll grab it. I'm not gonna be picky today. Oh, you can't even take it off. I gotta ask somebody. What's that?
A big daddy.
What is this?
Big daddy.
Baby shark?
Daddy.
Oh, that's the daddy shark?
Baby shark.
Baby shark and daddy shark? I don't see mommy shark.
What's mommy?
And grandpa and grandma shark.
What's grandma shark?
I don't know. Book you like? Show me.
What?
Show me the book. Ooh, bring it here. Let's read it. Sit down. Yay.
Go.
Okay, so I can't really decide which one I want. They all look like really good reads. This is called Let That Go, Best Self, Be You Only Better, and Peace from Anxiety. Probably gonna go with this one, only because this is where I'm at in life right now. I love this. Look how pretty this is. And it's on sale for $50. This is beautiful. Y'all, I'm starving. This is the first thing that I ate all day. This is leftovers from Easter, and let me tell you, my mom definitely outdid herself yesterday. She did more like a barbecue. Everything was like on a grill. So I got some baked beans, macaroni and cheese, turkey, tuna salad, ribs, barbecue chicken. We had it all. Did my mom make a dessert? I don't think she made a dessert. Pretty much I have been thinking about relocating for a really long time now. If you're new to my channel, I'm born and raised in New York my whole life. And I actually did a video a few months back on the Eddie and Michelle channel, and we were talking about moving and stuff like that, but it just wasn't the right timing. Things just weren't aligned, and I just feel like you don't want to rush when you're making such a big change. I'm not talking about just moving down the street or moving to like another city. I'm talking about moving to a new state. As you know, things take time, and I do have children, so I have to make sure that my next move is my best move, really. Every move that I make is gonna benefit my children, so I am ready. I'm more than ready to make this move. I still had a lot of fear, and I still do have a little bit of worries because, again, I'm gonna be moving without my family. But you have to spread your wings. You have to see what life is like. You have to. When you grow up somewhere, you get so used to your environment that you don't even want to leave because you're so attached to living where you live. You're used to your routine. You're used to the people you know, the stores and stuff like that. But I just feel like there's nothing here for me, and I can't really grow. And this is all I really know, which is pretty sad because I've never explored anything but that. The real reason why I feel like I need to move because I live in an apartment and it's too small. It's literally too small for all of us. And my children need space, I need space, and there's so many other things, amenities that are not included in here that I know the good Lord is gonna provide for me in my next apartment. Matter of fact, in my next house. Even if I'm just renting it, I want to keep elevating. I haven't found the right place yet. I know what state I want to go to, and I'm just gonna leave it up to God because I've already spoke it. I've already casted it upon him. I've talked to him numerous times. I've manifested it. I said to myself, this year is gonna be my year where all the things that I want to do for myself, I'm gonna make sure that they happen. And I feel like my living situation definitely has been very stressful because when you're living somewhere and you know you deserve better or more, and there's certain things that keep going wrong with your apartment or your house, it's tiring. I want to be a homeowner. I am going to become a homeowner. I'm ready to move, and it's time to go. Sometimes when we're worried about the what ifs and the unknown, that'll keep us stuck, stagnant. But call me Dora the Explorer because we gotta go. Me and the kids, we gotta go. I'm gonna be sad, of course, because it's my grandma. I'm really close to my grandma, my mom. I realize I can't live my life for other people, even the ones I love the most. I made my way into my bedroom because now I'm nice and full, and now I don't feel like doing anything. But back to what I was saying, I feel like this year is a year to change in every aspect of my life, and moving is really important to me. You're not happy where you live, even at your workplace. I feel like, why not try to change it? I've been procrastinating. I've been prioritizing other things before moving. That was initially my main priority before other things kind of knocked me off. The time that I really wanted to move, it wasn't the best time for me. That's when COVID had really spiked. My relationship was suffering, and I wasn't really focused. I wanted to get myself together before I decided to proceed. Now I feel like I'm in a much happier place, much clearer thoughts. I feel like blessings are just coming. Although I didn't find the place that I love yet, I'm more so focusing on like the areas to make sure like the crime rate is low, school systems, hospitals, stores. Still doing my homework and my background, stuff like that. But even though I haven't found the one that I want or love yet, I'm still gonna prepare myself so that I'm not moving last minute. Super organized. I like things to be done. A lot of stuff I'm probably gonna leave here and probably just take my main stuff, but I want everything now, okay? I just feel like out with the old and with the new. When you're moving into like a new house, a new apartment, of course you want new everything, new decor. You want to create your own vision to make your place feel homey, and that's exactly what I want to do. Y'all know I've been really getting into my home decor stuff now. Anytime I go to Walmart or Target or something like that, I'm like, oh, I can't wait to get that. Oh, I can see that in my living room. We're gonna put that in the bathroom. Just really excited, and I hope that everything works out. I'm already claiming it. I'm speaking it. God knows my heart. He knows how much I need this. There's things that we want, and then there's things that we need. I'm very appreciative of having somewhere to lay my head because it could always be 10 times worse. There's certain things that I just don't want to tolerate anymore, and in order for me to live better and have better, I have to put the work in and make that transition. So I'm speaking it into existence. We gonna get that house, y'all. You gonna get that house. Even if I have to rent a townhome or something, I just want to make sure that I'm elevating from my current apartment to something better, because the goal is to just keep climbing. So I'm really excited about that. Y'all gonna come with me. We gonna do a whole bunch of shopping. We're gonna do a whole bunch of packing, preparation. I briefly told the kids about it, but I didn't go into too much depth with them because they're very inquisitive, especially that Mia. When I have the keys and everything is stamped, then I'll bring it to the kids, and I will definitely film that and show you guys the reaction, because I'm pretty sure they can't wait to move and have their own space and everybody just do their own thing. So that's pretty much it. I'm supposed to be going to the dollar store right now, but I'm full. It's actually cold as hell right now. Y'all wouldn't believe the damn weather went from 70 something, almost 80 degrees, to now it's like 40 degrees. Like, Mother Nature be playing, and that's how your ass gets sick. Let me see what time it is right now. I'm gonna start like decluttering things and throwing things out that I don't need, and just packing small things for now. I'm not gonna bring a lot of stuff with me anyway. I feel like when you move, you want everything new, like I said. So most of the work is gonna probably be my clothes, and I can't make this up. I have too many clothes. Y'all need to come take some of these clothes off my hands. I definitely know it's gonna be a change of weather and change of climate, so half of these clothes that I have for winter, I'm probably not gonna need anyway. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Fingers crossed. Pray for me that everything goes well and I find my dream place for me and my children. This year's our year, y'all. If there's something that you want to work on, if there's something that you want to change, if there's something that you've been wanting to do but you've been procrastinating, what is holding you back? You're the only person holding you back. Don't let anybody stop you or distract you from the things that you want to do. Because at the end of the day, it's your life. It's your life, and you have to be happy with your decision making. You have to know when you want to do better and you want to change. Love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your bells on. Road to 100K, baby. I'll see you guys in my next video.